In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your Gravity forms to post into a Lead Prosper campaign. The first thing you'll need to do is ensure that your Lead Prosper campaign is set up properly. You'll need to have your fields created, a supplier, which will be your Gravity form, and your buyer set up as well. With Gravity forms, you're also going to need to have an Elite license to have access to the Webhooks add-on which we'll be using. Inside of your WordPress, you'll go to Gravity forms and you'll click Add-ons, and then you're going to want to activate the Webhooks add-on. Once you have the Webhooks add-on activated, we can go to your form, we can go to Settings, and then we have our Webhook Settings. We're going to click Add New, and we're going to create your webhook here in Lead Prosper. You can name it whatever you want. I use Post to Lead Prosper. And now you'll need to add in some information. All of this information can be found from the supplier API specs if we click this button. It'll bring us to this page, which has all the necessary information. The first piece of information we'll need is the request URL. So you can grab that from the API specs and copy and paste that here. Then you'll want to select Post as the method and Form as the format. Headers we can leave blank. And now you're going to want to select Fields. Here we're going to add each of the required fields from the API specs. To add a new field, all you have to do is click the plus button. And it's very easy to set a field and add a value. So for LP campaign ID, I'm going to grab the value up here. When you want to add in a hard-coded value, you just scroll down to Add Custom Value and paste that in there. To send data into a Lead Prosper campaign, you'll need to add 3 identifying fields outlined in the campaign's API specs: the LP campaign ID, LP supplier ID, and LP key. I've added the first 2 at the top of this list of fields. Now, if you want to test your form, we can go back to your forms, we can edit, and we can click Preview, and we can add in some test data right here. And we could submit that form. If everything worked properly inside of our Lead Prosper account, we can go to our Analytics tab and we should see a lead under that campaign. Here it is, 1 accepted. And here we see the lead data that I passed from that form. And that's all there is to setting up your Gravity forms.